In this video, we continue using the built-in terminal in NMC Web Monitor to operate the device's PowerShell remotely. Here, the device cannot access the network, likely due to an active system proxy. As shown on screen, the system proxy is enabled and intercepting network traffic. This causes the browser to fail when loading the target web page. Next, we'll fix the proxy settings through PowerShell so the device can reconnect normally. Before making changes, we first retrieve the current user's SID. Using that SID, we disable the user's proxy configuration. After applying the change, we return to the browser to verify connectivity. The proxy in Internet settings is now disabled, and the web page loads correctly after refreshing. Although the network is restored, a service is still not functioning properly. We suspect the firewall may be blocking the application. So now, we'll show how to add the necessary firewall rule using PowerShell. We begin by checking whether a rule allowing the program already exists. From the results, we can see that no rule currently allows this service. Therefore, we add a new rule to ensure the service can pass through the firewall and access the network. Once the rule is created, we query it again to confirm that the firewall update has been applied. Even though the connection issues are resolved, we still need to assess the system more thoroughly. Next, we'll review system logs, update software, and create a backup to ensure long-term stability. We begin by exporting the latest system event logs, allowing us to analyze what happened during the error. Then, we filter the exported events for entries labeled error, making it easier to locate potential causes. If the issue appears related to outdated or unstable software, an update is required. To demonstrate the update workflow, we'll download and install a sample update package using PowerShell. In this example, we use the PuTTY MSI installer. After running the download command, the device begins retrieving the installer. We wait until the download completes. After the download completes, we verify the file's integrity using a hash check. Once confirmed, the installation begins, and the PuTTY success message indicates the update finished successfully. After completing the repairs, we create a system backup to ensure quick recovery if issues occur in the future. Using Robocopy, we back up the entire configuration folder to another drive, keeping all settings safely stored. When the backup finishes, the system displays a detailed result showing that every file was copied without errors. Fix network, services, and system issues remotely. PowerShell gives you full control. Manage, diagnose, and recover all from anywhere.